How to download Discord app on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and now go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Discord and then tap on it. Now, if you have previously downloaded the application, you will see cloud-like icon with the download button. Simply tap on it for the download to begin, and if you have not downloaded the application previously, then you will see the get option there. So tap on the get option in order to download the app, and further enter your Face ID or passcode, and with this, the app will be processed for download. Wait for the app to download completely and then tap on the open option you see there and then launch the app. So this was about how you can download a Discord app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.